If your unemployment claim is not showing, don't panic. Here are the top reasons and quick fixes to get it back on track. First, many state systems update overnight. Your claim may be pending in the back end. Always check again after 24 hours. A small error, like a wrong social security number, date of birth, or employment dates, can prevent your claim from appearing. Log in and verify every detail. Your claim won't show if ID proof, pay stubs, or separation documents are incomplete. Upload every required document and recheck your inbox for requests. Use your state's unemployment portal to confirm your claim status. Look for terms like pending, under review, or action needed. If your claim still isn't showing, call your unemployment office. Ask if they received your application and whether additional information is needed. Sometimes the portal is down for maintenance. Check the agency's website or social media for outage updates. Stay calm, stay proactive, and follow these steps to get your benefits moving again. For more detailed guides and solutions, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com.